This will be part of my Bougie Nails on a Budget series. Hey everyone, hey NailTubers, and welcome to anybody who's new here today. I'm so glad to have you. This is my Bougie Nails on a Budget series, and you know what? I'm starting to think that I'm going to post this frequently. So the polishes that I'm going to be using are from Sinful Colors. I'll be adding some striping tape and a design from that stamping plate you just saw. So I just go straight in and make a couple of the nails a solid red. Only a portion of this nail will be red to start the design that I'll be doing. Now keep in mind, as I've explained in a previous video, and more than likely will continue to repeat this just to reinforce it with you, this is regular polish, so drying time does apply. I have a tendency to watch videos of NailTube friends while I'm waiting. One nail will be a solid purple and another nail will be a solid white. Now I know things are looking a little odd right about now, but stay with me on this, okay? Because I'm sure you're gonna like this design when it's done. So as you're watching this, I have a little bit of something to discuss. I guess you could call this a small chit chat. Today as I was checking my comments section, I noticed three messages in particular that came up. And what caught my attention was I had seen these messages before. And the thing about it is these messages were from 3 months ago, 4 months ago, and I know I replied to them, but they popped back up into my feed as if they were newer messages, but dated from those times. Has this ever happened to anybody? Because this made me very concerned. As a matter of fact, one of the comments comes from a channel that I'm actually subscribed to and do enjoy. Though I'm not brand new at this YouTube journey, I'm still learning a whole lot of things along the way. For example, I didn't even realize that YouTube even had a spam folder. Now, I'm wondering if these messages could have been held up in that folder and eventually popped up in my feed. I don't know what to make of this, so if you have any thoughts on this, please, by all means, let me know. So here I got a little bit of the red polish that accidentally rubbed off onto this white nail. Just a little bit of light filing and that takes care of the problem. Uh-oh, here comes some stamping again. Y'all know what happened last time. By the way, this stamping polish and stamping plate are by Queen. I picked it up at Walmart and it was $9.99 for the kit. I actually found another one with a different print on the stamping plate. You'll see that in an upcoming nail haul. What happened? It didn't even stamp. Actually, it's because the nails have been done in a matte finish. I find that other polishes tend not to stick to the matte very easily. But you know what? I'm going to be trying this again. I love this jelly stamper. It allows you to see where you're placing your design. Striping tape can tend to be a little tricky to work with. I usually work with it straight off the roll as opposed to cutting it into smaller pieces. I usually cut the ends short of the edge of the nail so it doesn't have any hangover that will catch. I add a small dot of builder gel at the edge to prevent it from lifting. These small dots of builder gel, they need to be cured for 60 seconds. They will protrude once the set is done, but they can be gently filed flush to the surface. This set will be complete with a coat of matte finish. Look, am I enjoying this or what? I really hope that you enjoyed today's Bougie Nails on a Budget design. Don't forget to hit that like button if you did. And remember to leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this set. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you don't miss any more uploads. Well, thanks for watching. See you next time.